Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create an sales page using Canva. Whether you are a small business owner or a marketer, this will help you design a page that converts. So let's dive right into it. First of all, go to your canva.com and go to this link here, or you can just click this button, okay, and this will take you to the Canva landing page builder. Alright, once you're in, or you can just type website for templates, like you can find website, and this will bring up a range of website templates, and you can see the templates here, and if we choose this one, you can also add more pages to the builder, to files, and like add more elements if you want, and just choose the one you like. Let me go back to the website template again. Anyway, let me go back. So this is the template here. Just select your template and experiment with it, like uh, tweak the placeholders button. And Canva has tons of customizable templates, like from sleek to modern designs to like this one I have used. You can click all. This will apply all 6 pages. All right. So you have a pre-made template built right here. So you can change the text, you can resize it, you can change the image. All right. You can resize it also, and you can move it around and more. So once you select a template, you can click on it to open the editor here. So you can change everything you need and hide the page, add notes, log, and more. It might take a bit of getting used to, like, and then just simply click once you are done with your template, and just click, publish website, and this will publish your template on our website. And just take your time and play around with the templates. All right, so you can create a new design to pages. Oops, type another website template. Sorry, my net is kind of slow, but you get the idea. And you can like build a portfolio website and more, business website, service website. You can do a lot of things with Canvas website builder, and choose the template you prefer. Like if I want to use this one, for example, as a portfolio, just click on it and see how the templates look. If it fits your needs, then just simply add it, and it will make your, you can also just click apply all, then the template will be added here. All right, as you can see, the template is, you can delete a page, add more to it, customize it any way you want. And this will be by default mobile friendly so there's no additional coding required. And when you're happy with your design, click the publish button or preview to see how it looks. Then click the publish website button to publish your template. And if you want to create even more engaging content for your sales page, try using Canvas Magic Write or Magic Studio. These AI powered tools can help you write persuasive copy or generate design suggestions faster. Right, as you can see, it's also resizable for mobile version. This is for mobile. This is for desktop. I see it looks very good on mobile as well, and it is resizable as well. So that's one thing less, and that's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, you can practice and have fun with the website builder.